excited about our profile program because I think it's an opportunity for families to begin to learn how they will be communicating with birth parents over the entire adoption process. Quite often, adoptive parents approach the profile with a lot of anxiety, and all they're thinking about is who will pick me and how will I look really good. And the difference in our program is that our profile advisor has a lot of experience counseling birth parents, so she brings to it an understanding of both birth parent psychology and the psychology of the relationship between birth parents and adoptive parents, both at the point of selection and then throughout the entire adoption process. So we really look at the profile as a kind of jumping off point for learning how to be yourself, how to connect, how to be real, and how to communicate. And our clients learn that birth parents, just like adoptive parents, are individuals and they need someone to connect to. So we work to help them be less afraid and communicate.
My name is Lindsay Conover. I'm a licensed social worker. I am an IAC Center counselor, and I am the Profile Program Advisor. Prior to my work at the IAC, I worked at an agency with birth and adoptive parents, which really helps me to understand the emotional and practical aspects of the adoption process. I can see people in person in the Pennington, New Jersey and Red Bank, New Jersey offices, and for the Profile program, I'm able to work with people in person, over the phone, and through email. Instead of creating a cookie-cutter profile, I really am going to get to know the potential adoptive parents and learn what it is about them that sets them apart from the other people that are also adopting. The goal is to create a profile that is genuine and authentic and that comes from the heart, that's going to help them connect with the birth parents that are right for them. I'll also spend the time to help to educate the adoptive parents about generalities of birth parent psychology, but also staying mindful of the fact that each birth parent is individual and they're looking for different things. I've worked with many expectant parents considering adoption, and I've had the opportunity to be present when they're looking through profiles and choosing the adoptive family for their baby, so I really have a good understanding of what birth parents are looking for. I want to help you create a profile that expresses who you are. This is really important to be genuine and authentic to help you connect with birth parents.